How to tie the Eldridge knot. First, place your tie around your neck with the thick end on the right exactly where you want it to hang when the knot is completed. Cross the thin end over the front of the thick one. Take this end around the back, crossing from right to left. Then take the thin end up and over and down and out the back to the right. Now take this end over the front of the knot horizontally. Take it up and under the left and then cross back down the front, angled to the right. Go back behind the knot towards the left and then up and through the loop created in step 5 and tighten. Push this end behind the right loop and cross it back up and over the front of the knot, angled up to the left, then take it back down and behind the left. Cross back up and through the new loop created in step 7. Tighten and tuck under the remainder of the thin end out of sight under the loop and around your neck. Turn your collar down and make any final adjustments. That's how to tie an Eldridge knot.